In this short video, we'll demonstrate how the malicious Sourmint SDK leaks sensitive user information on the Android platform. In August 2020, Snyk identified that the Mintegral SDK performs ad fraud and leaking sensitive information on the iOS platform. On the right-hand side, we're running an emulated Android device that is connected to a proxy on the left-hand side. This proxy inspects traffic that our emulated device sends out. We'll navigate to Mintegral's own Android demo application to open up and view a native ad. With this ad banner open, let's navigate now to the Google Drive app on our device and download our secret Google Sheet document. This contains a bunch of my secret data and I don't want anyone to see it. As soon as we do this, the Mintegral app registers a download event from a google.com URL or application and sends a request to its own server. Notice that this time the request is being sent to a different Mintegral server, namely n.systemlog.me. This is very similar to the behavior we identified back in August with the Mintegral SDK on an iOS application. Digging deeper, we can see an encoded payload is sent. In our terminal on the right, you will use our own script to decode the payload, and you can see that both the file name and even the link to our secret Google Sheet has been sent to the malicious Mintegral server. As a malicious actor, I might go ahead and click on this link to download the secret file and steal the data from the unsuspecting mobile user. Visit the Snyk.io research site for more information about this malicious Mintegral SDK and Sourmint attack.